Welcome to our channel, dedicated to helping you excel in your IELTS speaking test. In today's video, we will focus on essential vocabulary that will enhance your performance and boost your band score. Building a strong vocabulary repertoire is crucial for expressing yourself effectively and impressing the examiners. So, let's dive into the world of IELTS vocabulary and explore the words and phrases that will elevate your speaking skills. Before we dive into the vocabulary, let's understand why it's important for the IELTS speaking test. A wide range of vocabulary allows you to express your thoughts precisely, convey complex ideas, and make your speech more engaging and impressive. Now, let's explore the essential vocabulary for each part of the IELTS speaking test. Part 1, Introduction and Interview. Adjectives to describe people and places. Use descriptive words to express your opinions and give more vivid descriptions. For example, friendly, breathtaking, vibrant, or welcoming. Idiomatic expressions. Incorporate idioms relevant to the topic of discussion. For example, a piece of cake to describe something easy or to be on cloud 9 to express extreme happiness. Opinion phrases. Improve your ability to share your thoughts by using phrases like "in my view," "from my perspective," or "it seems to me." Part 2, Individual long-term. Advanced adjectives and adverbs. Enrich your speech by using sophisticated vocabulary. Instead of saying something is good, you can use words like outstanding, remarkable, or exceptional. Phrases for giving examples. Enhance your responses by using phrases such as "for instance," "such as," or "to illustrate." This demonstrates your ability to support your ideas with relevant examples. Transition words. Smoothly connect your ideas using words like "moreover," "furthermore," "on the other hand," or "in contrast." This ensures coherence and cohesion in your speech. Part 3, Discussion. Argument phrases. Express your opinion confidently by using phrases like "I strongly believe that," "there is no doubt that," or "it is evident that." This demonstrates your ability to make persuasive arguments. Synonyms for common words. Expand your vocabulary by learning synonyms for frequently used words. For example, instead of repeating "interesting," you can use "captivating," "fascinating," or "intriguing." Academic vocabulary. Incorporate words related to academic topics. For example, significantly, consequently, controversial, or conclusive. This adds depth and sophistication to your speech. Now, let's look at some examples to see how this vocabulary can be used in context. Example 1. Topic: Describe your favorite book. Response: One of my favorite books is The Great Gatsby. It's a remarkable piece of literature that truly captivates readers with its vivid descriptions and insightful portrayal of the jazz-age society. Example 2. Topic: Discuss the importance of environmental conservation. Response: In my view, preserving our environment is of utmost importance. The consequences of neglecting this issue are far-reaching, and it is evident that urgent action must be taken to mitigate the adverse effects of pollution. Example 3. Topic: How has technology impacted communication? Response: The advent of technology has revolutionized communication in numerous ways. Advancements in social media platforms, for instance, have significantly enhanced connectivity, allowing people from different corners of the world to interact instantaneously. It's important to remember that using vocabulary effectively is not about bombarding your speech with complex words. It's about choosing the right words at the right time to convey your message clearly and precisely. And there you have it. Essential vocabulary to help you excel in the IELTS speaking test. Remember to practice incorporating these words and phrases into your everyday conversations to become more comfortable using them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your IELTS preparation.